Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 15 best baseball players of all time in MLB. Number 15, Roger Clemens. Nicknamed Rocket Clemens, a former pitcher for the New York Yankees, enjoyed a successful 24 seasons in the MLB. He spent a larger part of his 24-year stint in the MLB playing for Boston Red Sox and the New York Yankees. He aided the New York Yankees to two World Series titles and earned 11 All-Star invites. Number 14, Mickey Mantle. Many considered Mickey Mantle to be the greatest switch hitter in the history of baseball. He played his entire Major League Baseball career with New York Yankees. Mantle won the Triple Crown in 1956 and that was his most successful year in baseball games. He was named American League Most Valuable Player twice and won the Gold Glove once. Number 13, Greg Maddux. He is popularly known for his achievements in his stint for those two baseball franchises. He put on a good show as a prolific pitcher for the two teams. He was the first pitcher to record 4 straight Cy Young Award wins in Major League history. Maddux won more games during the 1990s than any other pitcher. Number 12, Honus Wagner. Wagner is regarded as one of the greatest shortstop ever and one of the best baseball players in the MLB by baseball historians. Among the many existing teasable baseball cards, Wagner featured in one of them. There goes the length in proving how great Wagner was during his playing days. Number 11, Rogers Hornsby. After a series of spells with various minor league teams, Hornsby debuted the MLB in the colors of St. Louis Cardinals, where he won his first Most Valuable Player award. Many baseball fans and sports pundits consider him one of the greatest baseball players of all time. Number 10, Cy Young. Cy Young was such a great baseball player and award was created in his name to immortalize his deeds in the sport a year after his death. Later on, Young moved to the American League playing for the Boston Red Sox, which he aided to one World Series title in 1903. Number 9, Stan Musial. He played for just one team, the St. Louis Cardinals, but made his presence enormously significant in baseball. He played as a baseball outfielder and first baseman and won 3 World Series championships with St. Louis Cardinals. Number 8, Lou Gehrig. Gehrig was renowned for his power as a hitter and durability on the field of play. He featured in 7 All-Star games consecutively and bagged the Most Valuable Player award in the American League quiz. He also was a one-time Triple Crown winner. Upon his retirement in 1939, he was elected to the Baseball Hall of Fame. Number 7, Walter Johnson. Walter Johnson was a Major League Baseball right-handed pitcher. He spent 21 seasons in the MLB playing in the colors of the Washington Senators. Many regarded him as one of the best pitchers in the sport. He set series of impressive pitching records, most of which were unbroken until 9 decades after his retirement. Number 6, Ty Cobb. He He was one excellent outfielder the MLB has ever seen. He is famously known for setting 90 MLB records in the span of his career. As of the end of the 2019 season, Cobb still holds a number of records in the MLB. It is not surprising Cobb ranked third in the 1999 edition of Sporting News list of baseball's 100 greatest players. Number 5. Ted Williams. He started playing from early on in his youth, and no doubt this was an influencing factor in him becoming one of the sport's best hitters upon joining his first professional baseball team. In the course of his career, he earned 19 All-Star call-up, won the American League Most Valuable Player award twice, was named Triple Crown winner twice, and emerged 6-time AL batting champion. Number 4. Hank Aaron. The greatest baseball players in Hank Aaron. He played as a right fielder for Milwaukee and the Atlanta Braves in his 23-year stint in the MLB. He featured in 25 All-Star games, won 3 Gold Glove awards consecutively, and had the Milwaukee Brewers to one World Series title. Number 3. Barry Bonds. Bonds' 22 season in the MLB was a spell of success. He earned 14 All-Star invitation and topped the MLB 6 times on base plus struggle. Being an all-around baseball player, Bond is undoubtedly one of the greatest baseball players ever in the MLB. Number 2. Willie Mays. 2 National League Most Valuable Player award and a record-tying 12 Gold Glove awards are enough, echoing of Mays' worth in the MLB. A few years after his retirement from baseball, in honor of his achievement, Mays was inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame. Number 1. Babe Ruth. Baseball sports pundits, fans, and coaches considered Ruth to be the greatest baseball player ever. In fact, in American culture, Ruth is one of the greatest heroes. His 22-year stint in the MLB saw him winning various awards, titles, and establishing several records in the MLB. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.